Can you link a wallet to Kraken? Intro. Hey there, you're standing at the crossroads of cryptocurrencies, a world full of potential and pitfalls. You've heard about Kraken, a popular exchange platform, but you're not sure how it fits into your journey. One question lingers in your mind: can you link a wallet to Kraken? The wallet conundrum. Think of a wallet as your personal vault in the crypto world. It's where you store your digital assets, safe from prying eyes. But what if you want to trade these assets? That's where exchanges like Kraken come in. But can you connect your personal wallet, to this public marketplace, exchange? Understanding Kraken. Kraken is a centralized exchange, meaning it acts as an intermediary between buyers and sellers. It provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies and offers features like margin trading and staking. But how does this connect to your wallet? Linking a wallet to Kraken, the basics. The short answer is yes, you can link a wallet to Kraken. However, the process might vary slightly depending on the type of wallet you're using. There are primarily two types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets, these are online wallets, often connected to the internet. They provide easy access to your funds, but are more susceptible to hacking. If you're using a hot wallet, the linking process usually involves providing the wallet's public address to Kraken. Cold wallets, these are offline wallets, stored on hardware devices. They are more secure, but require more steps to access. Linking a cold wallet to Kraken often involves generating a unique address for the exchange and transferring funds from the cold wallet to this address. The security factor. Security is paramount in the crypto world. When linking a wallet to Kraken, it's essential to prioritize security measures. Here are a few tips. Choose a reputable exchange. Kraken is known for its security, but always do your research before selecting an exchange. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from your phone or another device to log in. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or share your private keys with anyone. Regularly update your wallet software. Keep your wallet software up to date to benefit from the latest security patches. The benefits of linking a wallet to Kraken. Linking a wallet to Kraken offers several advantages. Easy trading. You can quickly buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from your wallet. Access to a wider range of assets. Kraken supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to diversify your portfolio. Leverage advanced trading features. If you're an experienced trader, Kraken offers features like margin trading and futures contracts. Participate in staking. Some cryptocurrencies allow you to earn rewards by staking your coins on Kraken. The risks and considerations. While linking a wallet to Kraken offers benefits, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks. Custodial control. When you store your funds on an exchange, you give up control over your private keys. This means the exchange has the power to access and manage your funds. Security vulnerabilities. Exchanges are targets for hackers. If an exchange is breached, your funds could be at risk. Regulatory risks. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving. Changes in regulations could impact the services offered by exchanges. Making an informed decision. Whether or not to link a wallet to Kraken is a personal decision that depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Consider the following factors. Your trading goals. If you plan to actively trade cryptocurrencies, an exchange like Kraken can be a valuable tool. Your security preferences. If you prioritize security and control over your funds, a cold wallet might be a better option. Your level of experience. If you're new to cryptocurrencies, it might be wise to start with a smaller exchange and gradually increase your involvement. Conclusion. So, can you link a wallet to Kraken? The answer is yes, but it's important to approach this decision with caution and consider the potential benefits and risks. By understanding the process, prioritizing security, and making an informed choice, you can leverage the power of Kraken to achieve your crypto goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.